you can earn between $900 to $1,000 monthly working as a data entry professional. And this is very, very, very simple. I would show you 7 websites today that are going to transform this journey for you and grant you access to just enter data for certain companies, and then you can earn between $900 to $1,000 monthly. The good thing about this is that the starting capital you need is simple: Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Now, what is data entry? Data entry is simply putting together data, entering data into the website or the catalog or database of a company nationwide, and collecting this data and making sure these data are properly outlined. That is simply the whole essence of data entry. I'm also going to be showing you 3 of my favorite websites as it pertains to data entry. Follow me. So this video is about showing you how you can make $900 to $1,000 monthly from the comfort of your home. Now, if you're interested in more videos that teaches you how to make money online, please hit the subscribe button so that next time when I get to shoot a new video, you'll be among the very first to get notified. There are few information and few required information that you're required to know as a data entry professional. These are things that most often times the companies employing you will not explain to you. And those skills are skills that are very important. I'll go into talking about those skills you will need. Now, the first skill you will need as a data entry professional is Microsoft Word and Excel. Now, this is almost one of the very simplest things. Microsoft Word is something almost every computer literate understand out there, and Excel. And if you don't have a clear understanding of Excel, I would advise that you just put in a little bit more effort to learn here and there. There's Coursera. There are a few places you can take free skills. You can even learn on YouTube actually on how to, how Excel works and how Microsoft Word works, because you need this skill. Basically, Word, you need to type, and Excel, you need to enter data. For instance, if you don't understand what Excel means, what data are you now entering? Alright, so the next skill that you will need is product management. Product management. Now, we all know that product management is very important because what you are handling is a collection of data, and you need to be able to manage this data properly. The next thing you would need is communication skill. Now, every now and then you would have the opportunity to speak to your managers, speak to your client, because most of these jobs, in fact, almost all of these jobs, oftentimes is remote, right? So if you're working remotely, it means that every now and then you're going to be having virtual meetings with team members, with your directors, with your supervisors, and you will need a good communication skill to communicate with them. The next thing you would need is emotional intelligence. Now, the need for emotional intelligence cannot really be overemphasized. It is very, very important for you to know how to communicate, how to navigate your emotions in the professional space. The next thing is critical thinking. You need to be able to think at a very, very, very excellent rate when you're working with people, because especially if you're a Nigerian or if you're a third world country resident or citizen, you need to know that these people you're dealing with are smart people. These people are people who are highly intellectual, and you need an apt and good level of critical thinking to deal with them. Next thing you will need is problem solving skill. Trust me, the reason why anybody's employee is for you to solve his or her problem. So you must be solution oriented, and you must understand how to deal with different situations as they come your way. Next skill that you will need is punctuality and integrity. Now, you need to understand that if you're working visually, there is no such thing as African time. So there's no such thing as your employer telling you to deliver a task by 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. EST, or whatever time frame you're using, and then you're delivering the job 9:30 a.m. or 9:30 p.m. That's absolutely out of it. You must be a person of your word, and you must uphold punctuality at its highest level. Now, I know you might be asking yourself, why is he telling me all of this? I would have just gone on to tell you about all the websites, and then you just click on it and then get the jobs, and then you end up messing up on the job, or you end up losing the job, or you end up not delivering on the job. But my goal is not for you to just get the job. My goal is for you to retain the job, because these jobs are recurrent. They are jobs that you can do for the next 5 years. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, my people, $900 to $1,000 a month is no joke. So it's not just some money that just fall upon your laps. And if you're watching this video and you think this is just about some get rich quick scheme, I'm not one of those YouTubers that do that. I teach you quality things. I teach you things that I know will stand the test of time. Alright, so one other thing you would need is adaptability. You need to adapt. You're going to be working with different organizations that you are not used to, places you've not worked before, people you've not worked with, and your adaptability, you need to learn to adapt as fast as you can. Next thing is teamwork. Alright guys, you need teamwork. You need a very good sense of working with a team and collaborating properly. Now, before you enroll as a data entry specialist, there are a few job descriptions that you would need to understand, and oftentimes these are job descriptions that your employer will not really explain to you, because they believe that the fact that you are applying, you already understand, have an apt and fine-tuned knowledge of what it means to be a data entry specialist. And this channel is not just about showing you the website and just moving ahead to just start getting this job. It's about preparing you properly so that when you get the job, you'll be able to maintain the job. Because like it or not, earning within the range of $900 to $1,000 monthly from any part of the world is a good money. Alright, and it's something people would go extra mile for. So that's why I'm trying to prepare you as much as I can. So job description, some of the job description is number 1, preparing and sorting documents for data entry. Now, oftentimes this data and everything is just going to be dumped on your laps. So you will need apt understanding on how to prepare and sort documents categorically. Do you understand? And this is because you are there because they need someone to solve this problem for them. They need someone to be able to sort this data and prepare them properly accordingly. Alright, so your job is to prepare, sort for these documents for data entry. Next thing is entering data into database software and checking to ensure accuracy. Now, if you are a data entry specialist, the second thing is you need to learn to be very accurate. Because at the end of the day, what you're paid to do is to enter this data into a particular database or software or website or something, or a particular platform. Also, you need to ensure the highest level of accuracy. Next thing is obtain further information for clarification. Sometimes most of the information that are going to be dropped on your lap are going to be in some way incomplete. You need to learn how to obtain further information about the subject matter so that you can properly dispense your job without any hitch. Next thing is always have a backup. Sometimes when you're done with your job, done with the data entry and you've submitted, sometimes your client or the company you're working for might lose the data, and then they will need you to get them that same data again. Now imagine that you've deleted it from your laptop and you don't have it saved on your laptop. So it means you have to start afresh. So you always have a backup. Next thing is respond to information requests using critical analysis and the highest level of privacy. Now, you need to be as discreet as possible because these companies are entrusting you and giving you information and data that only in-house people understand. So you must be able to respond to this information using critical analysis and the highest level of privacy. Now, having explained to you all of this, let's go straight right into explain to you or to tell you the website you will be getting this job. Now, I believe that you are properly prepared for the job. Alright, so let's go straight in. The first company I would like to bring to your notice is Microsoft. Yeah, you heard me right, Microsoft. Microsoft just opened a headquarters in Nigeria not too long ago. So you come to Microsoft website and you come to the footer of the website and you see career, so you click on career. Give it a little time, it's gonna load. So it's just loaded. So this is the career part I've loaded. So you click on find jobs, you see. You can search a job and find the job and all that, but you can also decide to register as a career, as a professional, as a student, and graduate. So you just come into hit on careers. So you see, do what you want, do what you love, create the future you want. So you see, student and recent graduate, we offer a variety of scholarship programs, internship, and full-time opportunities to designed to empower you. And Next thing is experienced professional. Want to make a difference, so we do step in to explore the wealth of career opportunities and take your career. So you explore, you click on these career opportunities, job descriptions are going to be coming out, different jobs, and that of data entry too. Sometimes these jobs are location specific. So you click on data entry, register, and you get going. The next website I'm going to be showing is Clickworker. So this is Clickworker. I'm trying to be as fast as I can, so this video is not too long. Alright, so this is Clickworker. You come here, click on Clickworker job area. So you see what type of jobs are here. I mean, here you can get a brief overview of various jobs, text creation category, copy editing. There's so many jobs. So you just go in and search for data entry, click on it and register. But before then, you have to click and log in, create an account either as a customer or for Clickworker. So you are joining for Clickworker. The next website I want to show you, very simple, is job.signal.com. job.signal.com. So you see, search for jobs, candidate home login. So you see, find a career, student and grad. So you can come here and click on it and find a job that suits you. Specifically, as it concerns you right now, is data entry. Alright, the next website I want to show you is Upwork. So you see, once you come to Upwork and click on search data entry, you will see numerous people. See, this person is a top rated data entry professional. So you see, data entry professional, data collection, diligent virtual assistant. See, he earns $7 per hour, and so far he has been able to earn over $30,000 working on Upwork. There's so many other people. So you see, this one $2,000 and he earns $5 per hour. Alright, so you can come here and sign up and register as a data entry professional with the skill and the tools I've showed you earlier. Now there's this one also, appen.com. So it's connect.appen.com. So you come here, you see general requirement for job, at least 18 years of age, excellent web, research skill and analytical abilities. These are just for different jobs. So you can come here and apply. But one downside to Appen is the fact that you cannot register with your local number if you're in Nigeria or in some third world countries for specification. But that is not going to be a problem. I created a video on how to get a US number or number from any part of the world, and the video, I'm going to leave the description of the video. I'm going to leave the link of the video in the description. So all you have to do is to click on it and register. The next website is caremex.com. So you see, these are hub operations, corporate culture, different jobs. So, and this funny thing is that these are all remote. Reimbursement case manager, this is not remote. This is in Lake Mary. So this is not remote, but the remaining here are all remote. Isn't this wonderful, guys? Alright, so the next website is going to be Fiverr. And like I always say, Fiverr is one of the highest paying websites when it comes to worker. So you see, data entry. Once you come here, click on the search and enter data entry. So you see, this person says, I will do data entry, web scraping, copy paste, and Excel data entry. He earns $10. He starts at $10 depending on what you want him to do for you. So you can register on Fiverr using the skill I've taught you. The next website is guru.com. So you see, find freelancers, find jobs about. So you come to find jobs, click on it, and you're going to see the option of registering as a data entry specialist. So all you have to do is to sign up and then register as a data entry specialist. Next website, and the last website so far, is going to be axiondata.com. And so like you see, data entry services and solutions for your toughest problems. So clearly this website is tailor-made for data entry. So you register on this website and you become a data entry specialist, and your life becomes better as you earn from the range of $900 to over $1,000 on monthly basis, depending on how hard you're willing to work and how much you're willing to learn and develop on the job. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and if you have any question you want me to answer or have a video in mind you want me to create for your understanding or further understanding, please drop a comment in the comment section. I am definitely going to click and reply to your comment. Thank you very much for watching this video.